We're going to move on to Group E. Thank you very much for your testimony. With Group E, we've got Caroline Taylor, Jim Clifford, Anita Seckinger, John King, Sophia Marivel, and Kathy Weiss. Ms. Taylor, you're up first.
Good evening. My name is Caroline Taylor, and tonight I'm speaking on behalf of Montgomery Countryside Alliance. Yesterday's tour should have helped the council and staff see firsthand that Stage 4 was set aside for further review with emphasis on resource protection for compelling reasons. It hosts a high-quality reference stream, steep slopes, a sole source aquifer, and fracture geology, making it a unique case study. Moreover, a satellite image that you now have puts 10 Mile Creek in Stage 4 in broader context, showing the creek upstream of a major supplier and a major supplier to the nearby reservoir, whose quality has already been degraded by the development on Cabin Branch and Little Seneca Creek. That's also visible in the image that I've given you. With this draft amendment, you're being asked to sign off on a dangerous experiment with potential irrevocable consequences. You're being asked to rely heavily on unproven ESD technology and to disregard science to permit density that is astonishingly greater than that of the 1994 master plan. I've heard now several egregious misstatements that I would like to debunk. The first, farms pollute as much or more compared with suburban-urban development, so there will be no net increase in pollution after the proposed developments in 10 Mile Creek watershed are built. Really? If farms polluted as much or more than suburbs and cities, why are our down-county streams, including Northwest Branch, Sligo, Paint Branch, Lower Rock Creek, and Watts Branch, not healthier and cleaner than those in the Ag Reserve? The truth is that streams in rural up-county areas are the healthiest streams. Farms that adhere to strict regulation and nutrient management plans, natural buffers, healthy forests are significantly less polluting than parking lots, rooftops, roads, and highways. The next myth. The Potomac filtration plant will remove any and all runoff loadings of sediment and pollutants, so there are no worries about additional pollution that might be associated with these developments. The fact is that WSSC's top scientists have urged that we must apply the multiple barrier approach to drinking water protection. We cannot rely solely upon the filtration plant to remove pollutants. Sound watershed protection and science-based land use planning and zoning controls are first and best line of defense. The next myth, very quickly, downzoning to provide protection for 10 Mile Creek is a constitutional taking. I don't even know where to go with this one, but it's unsupported in Maryland case law. I will note with interest that the Woodward and Lothrop versus Montgomery County case, where downzoning of Friendship Heights resulted in a failed takings claim, it was Gus Bauman, then General Counsel for Planning Board, who argued that a landowner does not have a vested right based in master plan or zoning. One quick second. I want to say that the Planning Board has kicked the can with their draft amendment, with blatant disregard of indisputable science and a mandate from the Council, and I want you to know that our continued goal is to help you getting this right, and I thank you.
Thank you very much, Ms. Taylor.